Hi, I'm Dayton with J2 IT Group.
And we were talking about the power supply and what happens if that power supply goes down with all of this internet and phone equipment.
Well, hopefully it doesn't go down. That's the point. It's there in case any kind of a power outage occurs. Power outage is really a worst case scenario for a busy company, especially one that's heavily network based. You could be on your computer, you lose documents, valuable things you're in the middle of working on, phone calls gone. If you're using a VoIP system, your phone isn't going to come back up without power. Your computer's not going to come back on, and that's on top of, power fluctuations could mean damaged hardware, damaged configurations, anything and everything can go down. It's just a worst case scenario. Nobody wants to lose power in today's connected world. At the end of the day, internet may come and go, but you need power. So this UPS here ensures we have power, has battery backup. If we do lose power, it kicks in and it gives them power for a while, long enough to keep things going, long enough to save progress if need be, reach out for assistance if they need it. It also conditions, it acts as a surge protector in most situations, so if there's fluctuations, brownouts, it's going to ensure that they have a consistent flow of power and that their hardware is protected from any kind of surges or just dips.
And why is that important to business people?
Well, time is money. You lose your power, you lose your technology, you lose time, valuable documents. Everything that you've worked on for the day, any schedule you need to keep, all of it relies on your technology, your networking, maintaining constant uptime. And even when we're looking to do changes, upgrades, it's always a question of how much downtime is there. We can't risk there being any downtime. And this at least helps save against one of the unknowns, the power grid. You never know what's going to happen. Could be a storm. Some guy could go hit a power pole, and you're still going to be up and running. I'm Dayton with J2 IT Group, and if you're concerned about the power of your company, your network, and you need constant uptime, call us, let us know. We'll get you a quote and make sure you have nothing to worry about.